Hi friends, welcome back to Venki's channel. If you haven't watched the previous videos, check the link in the description. In the previous class, we have learned how to multiply two-digit numbers into one-digit numbers using visualization. Today we are going to see how to divide numbers. Most of you might be knowing how to divide normal numbers, but today we are going to see how to divide numbers which give decimal point answers. The first 5 problems which we are going to do just give us an understanding of basic division. Those do not include our decimal points. So let's go ahead. First, 10 divided by 2. 2 into what will become 10? 2 into 5 will become 10. So our answer is 5. Next, 81 by 9. 9 into what will become 81? 9 into 9. 9 divided by 3. 3 into what is 9? 3 into 3 is 9. 35 divided by 5. 5 into what is 35? 5 into 7 is 35. 14 divided by 7. 7 into what is 14? 7 into 2 is 14. Now let's see how to do divisions which include decimal points. Let's go ahead with the first problem. 84 divided by 9. 9 into what is 84? We know that 9 into nothing will be 84. So we have to take the nearest number. In 9 table, which number is nearest to 84? Make sure you take the lower number. That number should be lower than 84. It should not be greater than 84. 9 nines are, it is 81. 81 is lesser than 84. So we can take that number. So 9 nines are. And we know that this is not the correct answer. 3 more are remaining. So our remainder is 3. So we have to keep a point. And so our remainder is 3. Now we have to keep a 0 beside 3. You can even write it somewhere if you want. But moving on, writing is not a good practice because we can't write everywhere. So 9 into what is nearest to 30? 9 into 3 is 27, which is lesser than 30. And again our remainder will be 3. So we have to keep a 0 beside it again. And again 9 3 is 27. So this keeps on repeating. So we can keep a few dots and leave it. Now let's do the next problem, which is 75 divided by 8. 8 into what is closest to 75? And it should be lesser than 75. 8 into 9 is 72, which is lesser than 75. So we can write 9. And again our remainder is 3. So we have to keep a 0 beside 3. And it will become 30. Now 8 threes is 24 and it is closest to 30. And now when we do this, we get 24 as the answer and remainder is 6. So we can keep a 0 beside 6. 8 into what is closest to 60? 8 into 7 is 56. And our remainder is 4. And we have to keep a 0 beside it. 8 into what is 40? Now we're not going to take the closest answer. We have to take the correct answer. 8 into 5 is 40. So our answer is 9.375. Here we got an accurate answer. But here we didn't get an accurate answer. It is 9.333. It will go on. Now let's do the next problem, which is 39 divided by 4. 4 into what's the closest to 39? 4 into 9 is 36. And 3 are remaining. 3's are remainder. So we have to keep a point, keep a 0 beside 3 and it will become 30. 4 into what is closest to 30? 4 into 7 is 28 and we'll get 2 as our remainder. If we keep 0 beside 2, it will become 20. 4 into what is 20? 4 into 5 is 20. 52 divided by 7. 7 into what is closest to 52? 7 into 7 is 49, which is lesser than 52 and closer to 52. Now we have to keep a point. Again, our remainder is 3 because 52 minus 49 is 3. And if we keep a 0 beside it, we get 30. 7 into what is closest to 30? 7 into 4. And then we'll get remainder is 2 because 7 into 4 is 28. And we have to keep a 0 beside it. So 7 into what is closest to 20? 7 into 2 is 14, which is closest to 20. Our remainder is 6 now because 20 minus 14 is 6. And if we keep a 0 beside 6, it becomes 60. 7 into 8 is 56. And we get 4 as our remainder. And when we keep a 0 beside 4, it becomes 40. 7 5s is 35. You can go on like this. There will be many digits. 4 digits are enough to write here. You can write the number of digits depending upon your question. Now let's do the next problem. 27 divided by 6. 6 into what is closest to 27? 6 4s is 24. And now we have to keep a point whenever we get a remainder. Our remainder is 3 because 27 minus 24 is 3. When we keep a 0 beside 3, we get it as 30. 6 into what is 30? Or what is closest to 30? 6 into 5 is 30. We got an accurate answer. So it's 4.5. Now let's go for the next problem. 38 divided by 5. 5 into 7 is 35, which is lesser than 38 and closest to 38 in 5 table. And now we have to keep a decimal point. Our remainder is 3. When we keep a 0 beside 3, it becomes 30. So 5 into 6 is 30. So our answer is 7.6. Now 61 divided by 8. 8 into 7 is 56. Now we have to keep a point. Our remainder is 5. So when we keep a 0 beside 5, it becomes 50. 8 into 6 is 48. And our remainder is 2. When we keep a 0 beside 2, it becomes 20. 8 2s is 16. Now our remainder is 4. When we keep a 0 beside 4, it becomes 40. 8 into 5 is 40. Next is 22 divided by 6. 6 into what is closest to 22? 6 into 3 is 18. And now we have to keep a point. 22 minus 18 is 4. So when we keep a 0 beside 4, it becomes 40. 6 6 are 36. And now again our remainder is 4. So again 6 6 is 36. And whenever we get like this, it keeps on repeating. So we can keep a few dots and leave it. Now let's do the next one, which is 17 divided by 2. 2 into 8 is 16. And now we have to keep a point. And 1 is our remainder. When we keep a 0 beside 1, it becomes 10. So 2 into 5 is 10. So it is 8.5. Now let's do the last problem, which is 83 divided by 9. 9 into what is 83? 9 into 9 is 81, which is lesser than 83 but closer to 83. Now we have to keep a point. We got 2 as our remainder because 83 minus 81 is 2. When we keep a 0 beside 2, it becomes 20. 9 2s is 18. When we do 20 minus 18, we get 2 again as our remainder. So again it becomes 20 and 9 2s is 18, and this keeps on repeating, which means it goes on like 9.22222. It goes on. Now let's see today's question of the day. It is, what is 76 divided by 9? You have to give your answer with the decimal point in the comment section. With this we have finished level 3. Friends, don't practice only the multiplications and the divisions. Try to practice also abacus additions and abacus subtractions because this will be helpful in the future levels. Practice 2-digit additions, subtractions, and try for 3-digit also. In the next video, we'll be starting level 4. In level 4, we'll be learning our first concept, which is 3-digit divided by 1-digit. Bye friends. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.